How to delete Facebook account. So if you want to delete your Facebook account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Facebook application right here, and once you launch the Facebook app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now what you have to do from here is tap on the menu icon from the top right and simply visit the gear icon, which is the settings icon right there. And once you've done that, you want to simply go to see more in account center button. Once you go to see more in account center, over here you'll find the option called personal details. So go to personal details, go to account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion. Then from there, simply select your Facebook account from here, and once done, select the option called delete account right here. Then tap on the continue button, select any of the options that you want to, then just tap on the continue option to delete your Facebook account. This way you'll be able to delete your Facebook account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.